So what do you need in order to be able to do these things? Like BMX, skateboarding, rollerblades, scooters. What else is there? Other things. You need to put on your big boy pants, right? And your big girl pants. And what do you use for that? Huh? Anybody? You use a belt. You really feel the force feedback fighting you back with a belt. All those years after the belt showing you who's boss, I'm gonna show this belt who's boss. Oh! It's a good shoulder workout. Uh-oh. If I end up beating everything with this belt... See, you have to choose between accuracy of getting close to the belt here or leverage with holding it further out. And I choose accuracy. Okay. Let's see whose times we're coming for. Come on, baby. 106.4. That's not too bad. We're just a second off. I'm proud of myself. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future episode of BrokeA Sim Racing. Hey, check this out.
Inga, se le ispihpiam, me, que el pues novia.